To hide files in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open Settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down until we find Security and Privacy Settings, and then we can scroll down again to Private Space. If you click on it for the first time, you will need to perform setup for your private space. If you need help with that, I've made a dedicated video about private space, how to set it up, so you can watch it on this channel. When your private space is created, you can go back to your home screen. Swipe up like this, and then in Apps screen, scroll all the way down to Private. You will need to probably unlock it like this. Enter your private space password, and then click on the Add button. Go for the files, and then select whichever files you want to hide. And that is crucial to click on Move instead of Copy. If you click on Move, those files will be moved to your private space instead of copying them. That way you will hide them. So if we move that file, it should be gone from our gallery, and we'll be able to access it right here in the Photos or Files. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.